Hey everyone, welcome back to the virtual showroom. Here to show you one more vehicle, 2017 Hyundai Tucson. Tucson's been hot, hot, hot. We're happy, we're always looking. So if you've got a pre-owned Tucson, we are buyers. But we are out buying actively for Tucsons, as many as we can, because we know that people love Tucson. So again, this is a Hyundai Tucson. This is their entry package, but just because it's entry doesn't mean you don't get a lot of standard features, which we'll show you very shortly. Kilometers are great, lots of factory warranty left. So yeah, we'll do a quick walk around the outside so you can see body-wise, it's in very nice shape. It's always important when you're buying a pre-owned vehicle. Fog lights, beefy grille, hood's in nice shape. I'd like to show you the roof, make sure there's no major damage from a ski brush, snow brush, or anything like that. You can see for many, many months now. So, good sized trunk. 60-40 split folding seats. You got anchors, 2, 3 anchors on all the seats. So if you got baby seats, no problem. Tucson's got you. Spare down there. Heaven forbid, but if you need it, it's there. Back seats. Carpets are all in nice shape. You got some rear ventilation for your passengers. There's only 2 of them. Cup holders there. If not, you can snug it up. Power windows. Let's jump up to the front. So again, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. As you can see right here, power mirrors. And the ability to lock those rear windows, keep those kids safe. You have an adjustable driver's seat. You can adjust your interior illumination. You've got traction control, which you can shut off. All right, what else does it have? Just grab the keys out of my pocket, jump in. So not only does it have factory warranty, but let's look at some of the standard features on this car. So again, Bluetooth hands-free calling on the one side, voice recognition on the other side, cruise control, so all the nice features. You get the ability to toggle through, set some of your settings to your preferences, which is a nice feature. You got drive modes, you can drive it in eco, normal, or sport. So again, we encourage you to toggle through, see which one's best suited to your driving patterns. So you got downhill brake assist control, you got all your auxiliaries and inputs right here. We move up, so again, like I said, just because it's the entry package, heated seats, boom, boom, boom. 3-stage heated seats on both sides, air conditioning, front, rear defrost, temperature controls, easy to use, well thought out, you don't have to look for things, it's all right there. If we move up, here's your touchscreen, backup camera, Sirius XM capabilities. So if you have a subscription, transfer it over, put it in this vehicle. If you don't, try it out. Really cool stuff, all here in this 2017 Tucson. Seats are in nice shape, no rips or cuts in the dash, factory warranty. Great vehicle, great value. Tucson, Tucson, Tucson. I can't stress it enough. You will not be disappointed in a Tucson. So again, I want to thank you for joining me in the virtual showroom today. We've just gone over a 2017 Hyundai Tucson. Lots of factory warranty, lots of standard features. As always, you can call, text, or email us if you have any questions. Appointments are encouraged, but not necessary. Shop 24/7. at seawayhyundai.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs.